Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video I'll be trying on this bob wig from HerGivenHair, but the first thing I'm going to do is to unbox the hair and show you guys how the hair came and also the accessories that came with this hair. So the hair came in this black box, and the hair also was protected in this satin bag, and also they were kind enough to include some face masks. It also has elastic bands and hooks.
So no delay, no delay. By the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted.
So this is a 4x4 lace closure wig, and it also has adjustable straps, hooks, and the lace has been bleached and tinted to match my skin complexion, and also the coils are realistic. So I went ahead and I washed the hair, and this is the next day. So I'm just applying the Lotta body styling mousse to the hair and also spraying some water to bring back the coils of this hair. And that's basically all that I'm going to do for the styling of this wig, because the lace has already been bleached and tinted and it's a bob wig. It's coily. All I needed to do was just to make the coils pop, and you guys know that installing a lace closure wig is nothing difficult at all. So every details of this hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And I'm also going to use this hot comb to style the hair as well, just to mold the hair to how I want it to be. And that will be it, guys. That is basically all that I do for the styling of this wig. I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, and like I said before, every details of this hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So please do not forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. Make them know. Bad man. Bulaka, 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 bulaka. His body, baby, oh.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine, say girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man them me looking at they think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only